In this video, we will go over how to manipulate the header and footer in an Excel workbook. So to do that, we first have to go to the page layout view. So under the view tab, right now you can see we're selected in normal view. So we're seeing everything cell by cell. We want to now go to page layout. Best practice, always scroll all the way up and all the way to the left. This will allow you to see the header. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you see the footer. You'll notice as you hover over them, there are three cells, a left, a center, and a right. And this is where you can add different elements. So let's say they want the current date in the rightmost cell. We would click on that for the header. And you'll notice we have an additional tab called header and footer. And here are all the different elements. So let's say we want to put the current date. A little code goes in there. And if you click off into any empty space, you'll see today's date was inputted, and this will update. So if I go into this workbook tomorrow, it'll tell me it's the 18th instead of the 17th. Similar to the header, the footer is the same way. Maybe this time they want us to write in the center internal use only. So let's do that. And go ahead and click off. You'll notice as you look, it's repeated everywhere for the workbook on any page that is active. So let's go back to view and change this back to normal. You'll notice we don't see any of the edits we just made because you only see your header and footer when you go to actually print the page. So if we go to File, Print, we'll see the current date as well as our internal use only comment in our footer.